Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So the Nifty has gone up by 325 points today because the US market has closed up yesterday night, and the entire sentiment across the globe was positive. That is the reason even the Asian market has gone up, including our Nifty. Talking about Nifty's 30 minutes time frame Fisher's chart, we can see that the market has given a gap up opening of 100 points, and throughout the day it has gone up. Now at around 12 o'clock, we have seen some sort of selling pressure. That is the reason you can see here the market has tried to go down, but again the buyers were already there, so they bought heavily at this level, and the market again went up. The market was extremely bullish today, so it didn't go down. So talking about tomorrow's Nifty's predictions, we are expecting that Nifty will, maybe we may see some further dip in the Nifty, some sort of profit booking. Again we'll have to see, again I will have to watch how the US market is going to perform tonight. Again, if it went up by, let's say, more than 1.5% or 2%, then we may see some gap up opening in our market tomorrow also. And maybe after giving a gap up opening, the market will try to adjust in the level of, let's say, 70 or 80 points. It may correct from that level, because already we are in an overbought side. So definitely tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, this line will continue to go down, and we may see some sort of selling pressure in the market. Because this is how this chart works. It will not happen again and again. You'll have to figure out this thing, that this is the fundamentals of chart, that whenever the line will go up, we may see an upside, and then the line has to come downward, maybe tomorrow or maybe within the next 2 or 3 days. It has to come downward. Talking about the stock's performance, you can see the almost all the stocks has gone up today. Dow Voltas was trading flat, but in Blue Star we have seen some buying today, and it has gone up by 7%. You can see I am holding 330 shares of Blue Star. This box and this quantity indicates the number of shares I am holding in my portfolio. MobiKwik was logged in upper circuit. It has gone up by 20% today only. Even Shriram Finance was up by 3%. BSC was up by 4.5%. CDSL was up by 6%. You can see PG Electroplast was up by 6%. Tribeni Turbine is up by 13%. These are fundamentally very good scripts. They are having lot of potential. Even Ireda was up by 5.5%. So you can see there are buyers are returning. They are again buying these shares from lower level. Even you can see HL was up by 4%, Angel One was up by 5.5%. Almost all the scripts were up by 5-6%, 4%. So today we have witnessed some value buying in the mid cap and small cap stocks. So that is the reason my portfolio is up by 90,000 rupees, 90,489 rupees. In single day only, you can see the portfolio has recovered by 4.63%, and my overall portfolio loss is 26%. So if this kind of buying happens, then maybe in the time frame of 10 to 15 days, if this kind of buying happens on a daily basis, then we may see my portfolio to get recovered within 8 or 9 trading days. It is hardly a matter of 8 to 9 trading days that it may recover entirely if this kind of buying happens on a daily basis. Now let's talk about software performance. So you can see the software has booked profit of 6,500 rupees today, because as I've said in my Nifty chart, when I was talking about Nifty, I've already showed that the market was moving in the same direction today. It went up, it has given a gap of opening of 100 point, and from that level it has gone up by 220 points. That is the reason the software has booked profit of 6,500 rupees. And as I've already said in my previous videos, that whenever the market will move in the same direction, the movement has to be unidirectional, then that day the software will book profit. And whenever the market will trade in a range bound manner, then that day the software will incur loss of approximately 600 or 700 rupees. So yesterday the software had incurred loss of 700 rupees, and because the market was in a range bound, and today it has booked profit of 6,500 rupees. So now let's add these two things. I mean, how much value addition has taken place today in my portfolio. So in option segment we have booked profit of 6,500 rupees, and in portfolio section I have booked profit of 90,500 rupees. So if we add these two things, so 97,000 is a net value addition in my portfolio. Now let's talk about the broking division. I mean, how many order has been placed in the broking division. Now let me first log into the platform of the broking division, where I'll be getting these reports about the turnover and order placement things. So today the total order count is 288, and for each order I'm getting 10 rupees. So the net revenue that I'll be getting from broking division today is 2,880 rupees. So if we add this to the value addition that has occurred in my portfolio, so 97,000 plus 2,880, which means 99,880 rupees, which is close to 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is a value addition that has so 1 lakh rupees is the net value addition in my portfolio in the entire things which I do. Let's hope that we may see some further buying in Nifty. Even if the index will not go up, I would expect that we may see some fresh buying in mid cap and small cap stocks, because this is already available at very cheap rate right now. So of course, if the sentiment will be positive, then the buyers will return, the FII will return, even the DII has already started buying. So let's hope that the portfolio will recover soon, and we may end up getting huge returns in the coming financial year. So that is it for today, and thanks for watching, and bye bye.